There's no way I can record both of you guys.
Alright, whoever gets to the bottom first wins.
Just record Brendan.
Ready?
Oh, you jumped onto it. That was good.
What?
You look like a princess.